Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Mathology. Now today's topic is how to subtract decimals. Now this will be the part 12 of the decimal series and we will end the decimal series here. As in class 6 according to CBSE we have two operations only, that is addition and subtraction. Class 7 onwards we'll have other two operations, multiplication and division. So in the last video, we learned about how to add decimals, students. Now today we'll learn how to subtract decimals. It is just as easy as addition. So students, always remember the golden rule that I taught you. Align the decimal points and rest will be easy. Now follow the same steps that you have followed in addition. So let us take the first example. That is subtract 18.64 from 34.5. So what was the first step? To convert into like decimals. So here is 18.64. So after decimal there is 2 digits. But here after decimal there is 1 digit in 34.5. So let's convert 34.5 into 34.50. So after conversion of 34.5 to its equivalent decimal form 34.50. Now what you're going to do is, see, write the bigger number above and the smaller number below. Okay, but do not forget to align the decimals. So 34.50 minus 18.64 minus. So see, now they have been converted into like decimals and the decimals are aligned. So now subtract normally as you do. So from 0 to 4, if you subtract, converting this 0 to 10, it will be 6. Then this one will be 8. Put the decimal at the same exact place by aligning it. Then go on subtracting. So this one will be 5 and this one will be 1. So the answer will be 15.86. Got it? So a very simple one, just like addition. Always convert this into like decimals, then write the bigger number above and the smaller number below, aligning the decimal points, and subtract normally. Okay. Now if you get a simplification, what are you going to do? Simplify. Let's say simplify. So let's say 12.5 minus 5.02 plus 7.3 minus 2.2. Okay, so we are doing addition and subtraction at a single way, at a single go. Okay, so it's a simplification. So you know the BODMAS rule. So in the BODMAS rule, addition, bracket of or order, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So we'll do the addition first. So let's do the addition first. Always remember to convert the decimals into like decimals. So 12.5 will be converted into 12.50 and 7.3 will be converted to 7.30 and we'll add. Okay, so 0, this is 8. Put the decimal in the order aligned. 7 plus 2 is 9, so it is 19.80. Now take the 19.80 and subtract this one. Okay, so we'll subtract 5.02. The answer will be 14.78. Then take 14.78 and subtract this one. So 2.20. Again convert this one into like decimals. Now if you subtract this, the answer will be 12.58. So it's very easy. Apply the BODMAS if you have addition and subtraction together to do a simplification. Okay, student, I guess you have followed this lecture and the whole decimal series. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll give you a homework, 2 questions. Try to do this and let me know in the answer. Let me know the answer in the comment box. Sorry. So here are two questions. Okay. There are two subtraction. Got it? So this is 6.3 minus 2.15 equal to how much? And this is 9.75 minus 4.2. That is how much? Let me know in the comment box. Okay, students. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.